What is making crypto news today? SEC delays verdict on Franklin and Globe Access Bitcoin ETF applications. This is the topic, and these are the news for today. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, which is the SEC, has once again postponed its decision on whether to approve the country's first spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund. The documents that were released on November the 17th reveal that the regulator has deferred decisions on filing from Franklin and GlobeX. Now, this deferral follows delays for other applications as both companies submitted their initial applications later than some of the competitors. Now, this postponement of decisions on these two spot Bitcoin ETF applications, which is Franklin and GlobeX Bitcoin Trust, they contribute to the prevailing uncertainty regarding the approval of such crypto-based investment products. These developments, they come with amid increased interest in cryptocurrency-based ETF, exemplified by Fidelity Investments' recent filing to list its Ethereum Spot Exchange Traded Fund ETF, which is a product with the SEC. Meanwhile, BitGo CEO Mr. Mike Belch anticipates more challenges for the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. This is in the United States, pointing to unresolved market structures issues as a significant hurdle. Now, crypto bulls regaining momentum. Grayscale's recent legal victory against the SEC in its quest for spot Bitcoin ETF glory has actually caused notable market shifts, which is fostering optimism for Bitcoin and other altcoins. The court's decision has particularly boosted Ripple's XRP, triggering a significant 6% surge post-ruling. The observers have argued that the Grayscale's triumph sets the stage for a potential breakthrough in the creation of the first spot Bitcoin ETF in the US. The court ruling emphasized the SEC inability to justify its disparate treatment of Bitcoin futures ETFs and spot Bitcoin ETFs, hinting at a potential shift in the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrency investment products. Grayscale's legal success has ignited discussions on the prospect of increased institutional participation in the crypto sector. While the immediate impact is positive, ongoing developments in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit and the broader regulatory framework will continue to shape the course for XRP and the overall cryptocurrency market. Now, following these positive developments, Bitcoin has experienced an almost 30% rally. This is over the past month. At the time of filing this report, the world's largest digital currency is up by approximately 1% in the last 24 hours, exchanging hands for $36,662 US. In the same vein, the global crypto market cap stands at 1.44 trillion US dollars. This is representing a 0.7 increase in a daily time frame. This is according to CoinGecko. Now, this is the graph that is showing us how well Bitcoin has been performing. Now, in 2023 alone, over 1,000 companies has sought approval for Bitcoin ETFs, and now several others are applying for similar products tied to either the second largest cryptocurrency. The regulatory has not revealed its stance on these recent applications. Earlier rejections raised concerns about market manipulation and a lack of surveillance sharing agreements for Bitcoin. Applicants argue that these concerns have been addressed or are no longer relevant, especially after the approval of Bitcoin's futures ETFs, a viewpoint supported by an appeal court earlier this year. The SEC has yet to make final decision on these applications that is causing these delays. Now, this is the news coming from crypto.news. You can see it has to do with the SEC delays decision on Franklin Globe Bitcoin ETF. With that being said, I would like us to check what is making our cryptocurrencies to bubble today. What is making these cryptocurrencies to pop up in this very month? Well, remember, today is different from yesterday. Prices might be slight lower or they might go a bit higher. Well, this is how cryptocurrencies perform for this very day, which is a beautiful Saturday. If you're out here in South Africa, this is how the crypto bubbles is showing us the cryptocurrencies that are in the market. Let's have a close look and see how well these cryptocurrencies are doing. Just bear with me. Let's wait for the page to load so that we can see what is making this crypto bubble. Crypto bubbles, crypto bubbles, crypto bubbles. Keep loading, keep loading, keep loading. Let's see you. You're taking forever. Let's see you. Yes, yes. Now here we are. We have ORDI, which is up by 591 US dollars for the month. Rune is up by 282% for the month. We have Tau, which is up by 372%. ETHDYDX up by 73.5%. Let's have AVEX, which is up by 148%. Now remember, this is quite a volatile industry. If you don't position yourself well and you don't understand the market, chances are you might lose money. But if you have a mentor, chances are you might do well in the cryptocurrency space. Remember, you're watching and listening to this information. A wise decision that you can make, it's one that can be suitable for you. And the choice is yours. I'm just here to share information with you so that you can make a decision that will suit you best. Anyways, this is James McMahon. He is my mentor. He's asking you if you would like to copy him. Later on, we'll find out what it takes to benefit you in case you copy James. Well, this is James McMahon. He runs the Crypto with James YouTube channel. He has over 40,000 subscribers that are watching his videos, that are following him. As of October 2023, he has made more than 1,029 videos with the aim to help regular people retire early by knowing which coins to best profit from. Now, James takes immense pride in not mincing his words, and he has recommended 26 coins for his viewers to invest in. So, had you invested 100 US dollars into each coin, you would have made 123,795 US dollars in profit. Now, remember, if you have 26 coins at 100 US dollars for each coin, the total cost would be 2,600 US dollars. Now, take this total of 123,795 US dollars and minus 2,600 and just have a look at how much you would have made. That is the potential of how much you can benefit when you copy James. And you can actually see the numbers and dates all which you can actually verify on YouTube. I just showed you the cryptocurrencies in the cryptocurrency space. A lot of people don't know about cryptocurrencies. If you don't, please visit my video 50 and other videos that came after this very video. Just watch daily crypto updates 50 or video 50. Well, we are talking about cryptocurrencies. I would like to mention this currency because it came before other cryptocurrencies. It is Bitcoin, which is a visual currency. It has been designed to act as a form of payment. It has been designed to act as money and a form of payment outside the control of any one person, group, or entity, thus removing the need for third-party involvement in financial transactions. It is rewarded to blockchain miners for verifying transactions, and it can be purchased on several exchanges. Now that's the definition of what is Bitcoin. Now remember, this is a volatile market. Prices can go up very high. We have seen with the coins that are listed that I just showed you, and coins can go extremely down from time to time. It is unpredictable. Remember, it's liable to change rapidly and unpredictable, especially for the worse. Now, if you would like to balance things out, have a mentor, and also have an understanding of what are the market cycles in the cryptocurrency space. Why is there a time that there is no mention of cryptocurrencies doing well, and then there comes a time where the media covers it and everyone hears about it, that the cryptocurrency space is doing very well? This has to do with the market cycles in cryptocurrencies. This here is an example. We have 2022 bear market. This is what it means. It means that the previous year, cryptocurrencies were not performing well. Prices dropped by 40, 60 to as far as 90% for other cryptocurrencies. 2023 accumulation. This is the year where cryptocurrency seasoned investors buy more cryptocurrencies to add into their portfolio. I'll show you a portfolio in the next slide and read the information so that you can get a picture of what I'm talking about. Then we have 2024, which is Bitcoin halving cycle. This is the time where Bitcoins that are mined are cut into half to counteract inflation and to maintain scarcity. Then you understand that this is how Bitcoins are created. They are actually mined through a machine called a mining rig. It's a gaming PC. It solves complex math problems and it produces Bitcoins. It's different from traditional mining. And then we have 2025, the bull run. This is the time where bulls will be running, prices will be skyrocketing, the market will be green, as we have seen, even more than we have seen, because it will be the time for these coins to do very, very well during the 2025 bull run. I told you about a cryptocurrency portfolio. Let's have a look and see what is it that I'm actually talking about so that you can have an understanding and an idea on how to put together a cryptocurrency portfolio should you consider being in this cryptocurrency space. Still waiting for the page to load. I think it could be network issues. Yes, here we are. This is a typical example of what is a cryptocurrency portfolio. You can actually build one for yourself for a long term. The code stands for the currency, the cryptocurrency that you have in your portfolio. The amount has to do with the amount of cryptocurrencies. BTC value, your cryptocurrencies in the BTC value. USD value, your cryptocurrency value in USD. Wallet value has to do with your cryptocurrencies doing well or not doing well. The exchange has to do with where you store your cryptocurrencies. And then percentage of holdings has to do with the amount that you have divided amongst the cryptocurrencies that you have bought. That is called dollar costing. Now we can see that historical data shows that the crypto market has returned over 900% since 2017. Well, this journey hasn't been all smooth, as evident from the often unprecedented dip and high trends of the market. But in the long haul, its valuation has been increasing as more investors join the trade. With this in mind, you must target long-term gains, which is more appealing than chasing short-term profits, which are often not as much as the former. Now, while you invest in the long term promises greater returns, please note that the method requires you to be patient. Keep your emotions under check in all market tides. To achieve this, you should only invest an amount that you can live without. So no matter what happens, you won't have the urge to sell your cryptos to sustain yourself. And also having a cushion to fall back on will prevent you from panic selling. Now, why should you consider long-term crypto investment? Foregoing the short-term profits in favor of long-term gains is not only highly rewarding, but is also less risky. As such, you don't have to worry about missing out on leveraging into a position or timing the market. Remember that day trading or short-term investment is characterized by numerous transactions whose fees can quickly accumulate and eat into your profits. But when you invest in the long term, all you have to do is just to pick a few cryptocurrencies and then wait. This will help you reduce the number of transactions, which will save you the fees that come with active trading. Now, when you decide to build your long-term life portfolio, this will boil down to the type of digital currencies that you invest in. With over 1,000 cryptocurrencies in the market, it can be overwhelming to choose one that will pay you off in the long run. Now, here are a few factors to consider when you choose your cryptocurrency long-term life portfolio. You need to consider the market cap. The market cap of a digital coin, it's its trading price multiplied by its circulating supply. Usually, cryptos with a higher market price are less volatile compared to those with a low market cap. You can read all about it by pausing the video. Then we have utility value, which is the true measure of a coin's ability to survive for long in the market, is whether it has a real world user base or a concrete project backing it up. You can read all about it when you pause the video. Then we have the industry in which a coin is tied to. Not only predicts its long-term growth, but also offers an opportunity to spread your risk. Now, besides Bitcoin, there's other cryptocurrencies that are designed to offer solutions to a particular industry. There's VeChain, Walton Chain. They intend to improve the supply chain industry. So, if from your analysis you believe that the two coins will steadily increase in value, you may consider investing in additional capital in them. Now, going forward, don't be too rigid. Now we're going to read the conclusion that the above tips will help you build a long-term portfolio, but note that the crypto market is highly volatile. To keep up with the trends, it demands that you regularly track and rebalance your portfolio in line with your objectives. Also, it's a good idea to keep tabs on market events such as government laws in your jurisdiction regarding cryptocurrencies. These events usually have an impact on price movements. Now, I want you to remember these important things: that the crypto market is highly volatile, number one. Number two, you must regularly track and rebalance your portfolio in line with your objectives. Number three, you must keep tabs on market events such as government laws in your jurisdiction regarding cryptocurrencies. Now, if you don't master these three things, there's a high possibility that you might not do well in the cryptocurrency space. So if you don't want to stress about these type of things, then you can consider having someone that you can copy, who has been in the crypto space long enough, who has done well in the cryptocurrency space, who has evidence in the YouTube videos that he has posted that what he is saying, it is facts that you can verify for yourself. Still talking about my mentor, Mr. James McMahon. He's talking about Copy My Crypto, which is giving you a chance to retire young by copying his every investment. Now, he's saying that the next 2 years, we will see returns upwards of 100 times with a genuine shot at over 1,000 times. And he plans to milk every penny possible. So if you would like to join James and see his every investment, then he invites you to join his Copy My Crypto membership club. Inside the members club, James will show you every coin that he holds. You saw the coins that we saw on Crypto Bubbles and how well they performed. If it happens that he has chosen coins that do that well, you will have the same coins that he holds, and he will send you an email update 48 hours prior to when he chooses to buy or sell anything. So it makes no difference if you know about cryptocurrencies or not, because you will be copying him, doing exactly what he does. You will see his every move, which you can copy exactly. Membership also includes step-by-step videos on how to invest if you've never done so before. So there's no guesswork, no jargon, no confusion, just pure profits. It really is that simple. But for you to see more and know exactly how this works, click the link that is in the description of this video, which is my referral link. Copy, paste it on your browser. Go to Copy My Crypto Membership Club site. Read all about it as to who is James, what was his profession before he introduced Copy My Crypto, who are the members of Copy My Crypto, what did they benefit from copying James with Copy My Crypto. If this is your perfect fit, you can just simply sign up and become a member. Remember, if you retire young and your investment does well, you can actually live this type of a lifestyle, which is a typical example that you can have a house paid cash, a car paid cash, you can have a good credit card score, you can use your loan for renting out properties, you won't have to stress about petrol or food problems. But if you don't retire young, these are the possibilities. You could be paying for a house for 20 years, a car for 5 years, which is going to stress you. You could have taken a loan if you don't have another source of income on the side, which is going to stress you. If you don't pay in time, this could impact your credit card in a negative way, reducing your credit card score. You could be having problems with petrol and food because these prices are constantly increasing. Now, you can watch this video and decide which of the options would be suitable for you. Should you consider retiring early so that you can make up your mind and you can change your life for the better or worse. With that being said, I would just like to go to Pinterest and show you what I am interested in for this very evening. Let us wait for the page to load. There's multiple pictures that will appear here. This is to motivate people on some of the things that we can manage to buy when we are financially well off. Remember, this is Cash Money Master. Whilst we're waiting for this page to load, I would like to inform you that I will be including a link of my mentor. The second link will be that of registering your account with Binance. The third link will be how to fund your Binance account using your bank account. And the last link will be the news for today, so that you can read it for yourself and find out what is going on. Now, the picture that has inspired me for this very evening before we end our presentation is this Range Rover. So I'll just simply call it Pinterest interesting motivational pics or videos. This is the new luxury Range Rover Vogue for the year 2023 interior. With that being said, I would like to say my name is Cash Money Master. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you in the next one.